Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to episode 2 of my Demon SP4 build from Cross RC. We're now on page 18. I skipped over both pages 15 and 16. Reason for that is because with this kit, the axles are already pre-built, which is a plus for me when it comes to building this kit. So it does give you the full diagram of what you need to do, the pieces, of course, the grease, so on and so forth, how to put everything together. So just in case if you need to take it apart and replace something or fix something, very detailed book on how to do that. So I will be just moving on to page 18. And I'm going to be doing steps 15 all the way till most likely when we get the servo in. So till page 20, step 21. I might go as far as step 22 because I know that's the rear axle. And then we'll probably stop there. I'll see how much I can get done. But I do want to get the links done, and when I get the links done, I'm gonna hop back on and show you what the front axle looks like with the links already done, and then continue from there. Give you guys some clips here and there. I'm not gonna record, just like the previous episode, I'm not gonna record me doing everything. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it off camera because it's easier for me. It's less footage to record, and you don't have to see me make a bunch of mistakes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it off camera, and I will be back shortly. Alright guys, so I was able to get the front axle all linked up. So everything went together fairly easy. Another tip I'm going to give you guys that I said in the previous episode, if you didn't catch it, make sure you guys have a body reamer on hand, so that way you can ream out the rod end holes to better seat these ball ends, these metal ball ends. It's going to make your life a whole lot easier when building this kit. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on to the following steps, which is adding the shocks and mounting the servo plate and the servo. Again, I am going to be using the electronics from the YJ, as the YJ is out of commission right now, so I get some parts for it. So I'm going to be throwing a Savox servo into this truck. Should be more than enough for what I plan to use the truck for. So I'll catch you guys when I have all these steps done all the way onto the servo, and I'll make sure I show you guys what that looks like before I start the rear axle. Alright guys, so I finally completed step 21. I got the Savox servo into the truck, into the axle. Shocks are mounted as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and continue on to steps 22 and 23, and then I might call it a day from there. Alright guys, so after about probably 3 hours, I finally completed the front and rear axles. They're not 100% complete because I still have some other steps that I need to do, such as the hexes, and obviously mount them to the chassis. So in the next episode, episode 3, we'll be going over adding the axles to the chassis, and then getting everything situated. So this is where we'll finally have a semi-roller, because obviously the wheels I'll be using are not the ones that it came with. I'm probably gonna most likely take these off of the high axles and put the crawlers on, but I'm not exactly sure. I might just throw on the high axles for now, but I'm debating. We'll figure that out in episode 3. But yeah, and let's see what else is next. And final thing is the body. So next episode is going to be pretty short, because it's just, the only thing is me basically putting everything together onto the chassis. So that should go fairly quick. Long for me, quick for you guys, because I'm doing everything off camera. But there you go, another quick shot of next week's episode. So yeah, again, if you have any questions regarding these front and rear axles, be sure to leave it down in the comments below, and I'll try to answer to the best of my ability. So yeah, stay tuned for more content. I can't wait to get this thing completed and out on the trails. Peace, guys.